Hey folks, a little Friday evening update. I'm out here in the greenhouse, and just a few days ago I planted my seedless watermelons, and they've already started to sprout up, and I want to show you that. And the Tennessee green ones, the tomatoes that we planted, have started to sprout. So I'm really excited about the watermelons, because they're kind of hard. Seedless watermelons are kind of hard to get to germinate, but these so far, let's see, I made that video, I planted these 6 days ago, so they're coming up, so that's a good sign. So let me show you those. So I've got one here. This was the first one. You can see how good it looks. It was actually a couple of days ago. And this one, and I got one just started right here, and I got one back here. Now the other variety is not started yet, so that's the PD. These are the Fascination. I had really good luck with these last year. Even out in the field, they did really good. So hopefully these will do good. And here's the Tennessee green that just started to come up. That's a Tennessee green is a I don't know, some kind of tomato that it ripens, it stays green, and you're supposed to be able to fry it even when it ripens. So pretty excited to try that. So they started coming up. My other two haven't come up yet, but they will, I think. Hopefully they will. Anyway, nothing's changing here. It's about the only thing I got left. As far as vegetables, I've got a bunch of herbs. I do have my hot peppers. I haven't took them down yet, but they're about ready to go down. And I was planning on planting the peppers this week, but got a dadgum ant problem down there, so we taking care of that, and then hopefully next week we can get that planted, and hopefully be a little bit cooler. It's humid. It's been humid as all get out today. Had a couple problems with our blueberries that we're trying to. Let's go over and look at them real quick. So this is our oldest blueberry patch, and we've got some of these leaves that are turning. These are turning yellow. This one looks dead. These are kind of turning. This one looks good. So kind of thinking that maybe we have a big old weed I didn't cut down, an acidity problem. We think that well, two things actually. I think the stress of the drought. We've had extreme drought, and then our soil is too sweet or not acid enough. So we have applied a acid enhancer. We did that yesterday. It's supposed to rain tonight. I'm a little afraid, to water it in with the city water, because I know they make it alkaline. They add stuff to it. So I'm afraid that if I watered them in with that, it would just counteract what we putting down. So supposed to come a good rain tonight, so we put this down, the soil acidifier. So hopefully that helps us. Now this one right here looks great. This one right here, it's got some new growth. It looks pretty good. So hopefully it's just a temporary thing. I hope we don't lose our blueberries, but I mean, we do what we can. We're not professional blueberry grower. I'll probably talk about this in the video. We started a new fruit patch, or berry patch. Put blackberries, blueberries, grapes, and all that. Well, the blackberries are overtaking the blueberries, so this fall, when they go dormant, I'm gonna dig those up and put them here. So anyway, all right, just a little quick update video. Torch Local Farmer, appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.